Namaskar and welcome to this week's News Bulletin. I'm Shubhangi and in the next few minutes, we'll cover 10 biggest stories from India and around the world that made headlines this week. Let's begin. After a brief slowdown, the southwest monsoon has picked up pace and advanced into several central and western regions of India. The revival is expected to benefit agricultural activities and provide relief from intense heat conditions in many states. India's Meteorological Department issued heavy rainfall warnings for several states, including Maharashtra, Bihar, Odisha, and Assam. At the same time, parts of eastern Uttar Pradesh and Vidarbha continue to face heat wave conditions. India marked International Yoga Day on June 21st with large-scale participation across the country. Government institutions, schools, organizations conducted sessions promoting health and wellness. A major boost to India's aviation infrastructure came as Noida International Airport at Jewar commenced commercial flights operations. The airport is expected to improve connectivity and reduce traffic pressures on Delhi's existing airports. India recorded a strong export performance, with goods export reaching record levels. The development reflects continued momentum in international trade, despite the global economic uncertainties. One of the biggest international stories of the week was the reported progress in US-Iran negotiations. Efforts toward reducing tensions in the Middle East have positively influenced global markets and energy prices. The G7 summit in France witnessed discussions on trade, artificial intelligence, global security, and international cooperation. India participated as a guest nation, with Prime Minister Narendra Modi engaging with several world leaders on key global issues. At the G7 outreach session, Prime Minister Modi emphasized the importance of safe maritime routes and the protection of global safety routes. The issue gained importance amid ongoing concerns regarding international shipping and trade security. International markets remain relatively stable despite significant geopolitical developments, including leadership changes in the United Kingdom and continued diplomatic negotiations in the Middle East. Investors closely monitor developments affecting oil prices and global trade. Artificial intelligence continued to dominate discussions across governments, businesses, and technology sectors. From healthcare applications to international policy discussions at the G7 summit, AI remained one of the most important and influential topics of the week. Those were the top 10 headlines of the week. If you found this bulletin informative, don't forget to like the video, share it to others, and subscribe to the channel for more weekly updates. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next bulletin.